Good morning, first graders. Today I'm going to read you a book that's from a series, the Click, Clack, Moo series. Today I'm going to read you Click, Clack, Quack to School. This book is written by Doreen Cronin and is illustrated by Betsy Lewin. Remember, the author is the person who writes the book and the illustrator is the one who does the pictures. Here's our title page, Click, Clack, Quack to School, with our author and illustrator. On Monday, Duck brought a letter to Farmer Brown. Some of it was written in crayon. Dear Farmer Brown, please be our guest at our farm day lunch tomorrow. Bring the animals too. Love, your friends at Dinkelmeyer Elementary School. P.S. What is your favorite color? P.P.S. How old are you? P.P.P.S. We have a turtle. He must get the animals ready. Farmer Brown was so excited. He had not been to school in a very, very long time. We are going to school tomorrow, he told the cows. We must get ready. They stomped and clomped and mooed. School is very quiet, said Farmer Brown. There is no clomping, no stomping, and no mooing. The cows were not so excited anymore. We are going to school tomorrow, Farmer Brown told the chickens. The chickens had never been to school. They were so excited. They clapped and snapped and clucked. School is very serious, said Farmer Brown. There's no clapping, no snapping, and no clucking. The chickens were not so excited anymore. Farmer Brown arrived at the pig pen. We're going to school tomorrow, he announced. The pigs hooted and hollered and oinked. School is very calm, said Farmer Brown. There is no hooting, no hollering, and no oinking. The pigs were not so excited anymore. Farmer Brown arrived at the barn. Duck was meditating. We're going to school tomorrow, said Farmer Brown, and there will be no stomping, clomping, snapping, clapping, hooting, or hollering. Duck breathed in slowly and deeply. And try not to be so ducky, said Farmer Brown. Duck breathed out slowly and deeply. Farmer Brown handed over rule books, and the animals studied all night. No stomping, no clomping, no mooing, no clapping, no snapping, no clucking, no hooting, no hollering, no oinking. Don't be ducky, said Duck. The next morning, they lined up quietly in front of the truck with no stomping, clomping, clapping, snapping, hooting, or hollering. Farmer Brown was so proud of all of his animals. They were quiet and still on the ride to school. The cows were not mooey, the chickens were not clucky, the pigs were not oinky. Duck breathed in slowly and deeply. Duck breathed out slowly and deeply. Farmer Brown was so proud. When they arrived, they got off the school truck quietly and waited in the empty schoolyard. The school seemed quite serious and calm. And then the bell rang for recess. The doors flew open, and the yard was suddenly filled with wiggling and giggling, thunking and clunking, chirping and chattering, squeaking and squealing, and zooming and zigzagging. So the cows got mooey and stomp, clomp, stomped, and the chickens got clucky and clap, snap, clapped. And the pigs got oinky and holler, hoot, hollered, and the mice read graphic novels in the shade. Inside the school, Duck was just Ducky. You see, Duck is sitting in the principal's chair. So here are the rules that you might like to use. Be kind, be safe, be helpful, be honest, respect one another, and don't eat the paste. I hope you enjoyed.